What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jasmy, which has taken a little bit of a drop in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it has dropped 3% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.003565. Yes, it was performing quite well since the start of 2023. Again, it's only been about 2-3 days and it has taken a little bit of a drop, and I did warn you guys in my last update on Jasmy, do expect it to take a little dip before it goes even higher. So yes, that is exactly what's taking place right now. It's taking a little bit of a drop, nothing major, very minimal compared to how much it's pumped over the last week, shall I say. So yeah, we're going to be looking at where it's heading to next. What is this highest figure it can hit in 2023? Looking at, is it time to invest, buy the dip right now, wait for it to drop further, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. But before I get into any of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website, and the market has just about fluctuated in the last 24 hours, just about 0.1% up, nothing major. And we can see here, Jasmy is on the red side today. In the last hour, even though it has gained a percentage overall for the last 24 hours, it is down 3%. Over the week, it is still up 24%, which is quite good. As you can see, since 29th of December, it's been gaining value all up until Tuesday the 3rd of January, where it slowly started to drop in value, but again, it's nothing major. And over the month, it is still down 14%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see that the trading volume has also gone down by a massive 36% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $40 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money. However, the only reason why it's dropped 36% in trading is because the value of Jasmy has obviously dropped. So more and more people will be just holding on to their crypto right now. They won't be buying, they won't be selling, they're just holding on to it, either for it to drop further down, to buy the dip, or for it to gain value so that they can sell it and make profit. But at the moment, most people, including myself, just holding on to Jasmy. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you can see, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Jasmy at 0.003197. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here at 0.003577, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Jasmy to head up to about 0.0037 to 0.0038 cents in target. Again, not major increases, minimal increases is what I'm expecting. But in between that time, as I keep mentioning, do expect red candles. They are part of the process, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We kind of got a mixed signal. The blue line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially, we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting over the coming days. So over the next 7-8 days, so by mid next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to more or less trade at its current price range over the next 7-8 days. But again, it doesn't mean it's going to be staying at its current price range consistently. For example, over the next 2-3 days, we may see a drop down in value or pick back up in value. But by mid next week, we should be trading at more or less its current price range here, around 0.0035 to 0.0037 cents in target, somewhere in between here. But again, we are going to see a drop in value over the next 24 to 48 hours. Nothing major, it's minimal drop, but again, it is likely to pick up in value after that over the coming towards the end of this week, early next week as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? This means over the next, let's say 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late February 2023. Again, we've got the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So again, guys, an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting from Jasmy over the coming weeks. So we should be heading to about 0.006 cents to 0.007 cents over the next 6 to 8 weeks by late February. But again, we are going to see red days, we are going to see green days, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So an overall minimal increase in value is what we should expect. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market performs. With any major drops, major crashes, or major bull runs and price pumps, these things will have a major impact, either positive or negative impact, not just on the value of Jasmy but the whole crypto market in general. And if I am able to predict anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, and we are going to bring the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But again, as I keep mentioning, when it comes to Jasmycoin, there isn't much analysis we can do. The only reason for that is we've got a long way to go for us to hit the green zone. We have to hit about $1.18, and to go from not even half a cent to $1.18 is going to require a thousands and thousands of percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy anytime soon. So for the next at least 3-4 years, it is likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, heading upwards towards the green zone, we should be good to go. But so far, we are stuck in the red zone, and yeah, that's basically why there's not much point doing a Fibonacci scale technical analysis when it comes to Jasmy. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below your predictions, your takes on this crypto. What is the highest figure you guys predict Jasmycoin to hit in 2023? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, especially that I've seen both sides in my comments, both negative and positive comments towards this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, as I will be doing a cryptocurrency towards the end of the year if I do manage to hit 100k. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.